Hello, today I will show you how to draw hands so that it does not turn out like this. First, you can imagine hands as a square for Pam, these two triangles for extension, and rectangles for fingers. Second, normally humans have 5 fingers unless you have 6 or more, or you are this. Third, fingers don't have the same length and they are usually the same size as your palm, but it can sometimes also be a bit longer or shorter depending on the body type. Now, the method to draw hands. First, draw this shape and then add the fingers. Second, draw this shape again and draw rectangles for the fingers. Usually, fingers are divided into 3 parts, but we'll stick to 2. Third, using balls. Draw that shape again and now draw balls representing the joints. Bigger the balls, bigger the fingers. Smaller the balls, smaller the fingers. Therefore, make sure to get the balls right. The last method, I personally don't recommend this. Random bullshit go. Hope your hand does not look bad or just hide it somewhere. Bonus tips. Practice by using references. Keep patience. Things take time. Try not to break anything, especially your tablet if you are a digital artist. Traditional artists, you can break your pencils. Thank you. Until next time.